Alright, so today I'm going to be repairing my Phantom 3 standard camera absorption board. I had a little crash and at some point and broke this here, so got a new one in today. Just gonna put it in. First thing you want to do, these little rubber feet, you want to put those in first. Otherwise they're kind of hard to put in. Fit flush in there. It look like that. Like that. Get it flat. Okay, now that you got them flat, you want to notice there are different size openings. So there is a front and back. If you get it on sideways, they won't fit. If you get it the other way, the cables won't fit up to the little space there. So get in the right side, feed the cables up. So I'm going to take this Allen wrench, little screws. It's easier if you put it in the back ones first. Put it in the back ones, it'll kind of hold the plate down in place so you can line the others up. You also don't want to tighten them all the way until you get all four of them in. That just helps to line up the holes with the sockets there. Put these back ones in first, and that holds it in place, kind of out of the way of the wires. Next, I'm going to take our gimbal. What we're going to do, maybe I don't want to put those plastic pins in yet. I'm going to get those white sleeves on the gimbal rings. Right. Before we make those up, we have to make these connections on the wires. What I recommend is taking a picture of this while you're disassembling it. So that way whenever you get ready to put it back together, you got a picture to go off of. Okay. So you make sure you're getting the correct wires in the correct spots. Alright, so you can see there's these little posts here where the wires clip in, here, and here. One of them is a gray wire, one of them is a black wire. You see in my picture here, I can easily tell which one goes to which based on where that label is. Just lay my picture the same way. Alright, last thing we want to do here is there are these little covers. This out of the way. So we have these little covers. We'll put these back in here and just kind of cover up that connection. So remember how to go in. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to try to get these rubber pieces, so you guys can see. I'm going to try to get these rubber pieces in here, into this little ring here, to support the gimbal. So be real gentle with these things until you get the plastic pins in. The plastic pins are really what holds this together. These things are more just to kind of soften the movement of the camera. They're not really meant to support. Alright, I think all four of them are in. Just give them all a good look over before we put these pins on, because these pins, once you pull them apart, they are almost impossible to get back apart without breaking them. Just got this little collar, and it just slips over the end. Push it over it, and it goes over that hump there. do break them, you can get a set of replacements for just a few bucks. Little trick I just noticed here. Trying to push this in, I don't know if you can see that right here. You kind of see that post bumping into the side of the rubber. You just push the gimbal over, pop that out of the top, and then over to the side. Put this on. Let's get some props. A battery. We'll go outside and test this out. Alright, important step we just about missed. I've got some screws laying here and I got a screwdriver. You're probably wondering what those go to. Remember the little caps we put on to cover the wires? There are a few screw holes. We're going to put those in. There's some on this side, and there's some here and some here. Couldn't see those. So we can still put those in. Alright. Now, we should be good to go. Just look and do one final look over. Just make sure everything looks good. And we'll go outside and do a test flight.
I'm like, woo-woo, the one my heart has gone to me, not going to wait. Tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, 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 tock. Tico, tick. Oh, tico, tico, tock. This tico, tico, he's a cuckoo in my car. Yeah.